Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we have today is a GDO disc detainer lock and a disc detainer pick and decoder. And there we go. Let's pick this disc detainer lock and then I'll explain how the disc detainer pick and decoder work. First we need to set all the discs in a counterclockwise rotation. I will be giving clockwise tension and picking counterclockwise. So what I'm doing when I'm picking this is in my left hand I'm keeping tension clockwise while keeping the pick parallel to the base of the lock so that my picking extension that I'm rotating in my right hand can get purchase on each one of the discs. So I'll advance the pick, I'll find the next disc, I'll rotate the pick until I find the opening in the disc, get purchase. I will slightly go counterclockwise, I'll rotate clockwise to make sure I'm on the disc still, and then continue counterclockwise until I feel a very slight give, which means that the gate has aligned with the locking bar. Then I'll go to the next one, identify the disc, find the opening, get purchase, go slightly counterclockwise, confirm it in a clockwise motion with my right hand, and then continue counterclockwise until I find the gate. And I'll do that consecutively on each one of the discs. And in this particular lock, the GDO top security lock, there are 6 discs. There we go, 6 detainer discs. So the way this works is this portion provides the tension on a driver disc, while this portion conducts the picking in the opposite direction of the tension. And as it rotates the discs, this locking bar will fall down into a gate and then allow the whole cylinder to rotate. Right like that. So apply tension and then rotate the disc, and then the locking bar falls into the gate. Okay, thank you.